Hi guys, I'm Spencer from Spencer's Mattress here in Ventura, California. And today we're going to be inspecting and taking apart a Sleep Number mattress. You may have seen them on commercials on TV, on social media. And I don't know if everyone knows this, but Sleep Number mattresses are simply air mattresses. And I'm going to take this one apart and show you the inside of this mattress and give you a better idea as to how they're made. Now, just so you know, this is a really old model. We pulled this out of a house and they've had it since 2006, I believe. On the law label, it's 2006. This is a California king size, and it's a Sleep Number 7000 model. At the time, these were probably going for $1,000 to $1,500 in today's equivalent market price, and something. It's changed a lot since then, but something similar to this quality would be in the $3,000 to $4,000 range. So let me show you how these are made. And if you can kind of see, I'm going to take this and show you what happens here. This is without the air in it. So there's an air chamber in there, and I just want to show you that. Okay. So let me unzip it and show you what's on the inside. There's a little zipper on the top panel, and if you've been watching our videos, this part's called the top panel when we make our mattresses. And this is just foam with a little, looks like a damask ticking or cover on it. Very simple foam, and actually, this isn't in bad shape for as long as they've had it, but it just shows you, for the type of money you spend, what you're actually getting. So I'm gonna unzip this. And again, this is an older one, but just to get an idea, I'm going to flip this off. And then they have a little fire barrier here, keeps the fire from going through. And then they have this layer of foam on top. You can see it's about 3 inches of little permeated half holes in the top with their little logo embossed on it. And it looks like this foam is still in good condition. So yeah, no, this is a good quality foam they have in there. And I'm going to fold this over, and that's the top layer. I'm going to fold this. Oops. Oh, hold on a second. And now I'm going to unzip. This is called a decking when we make our beds. This covers it. Now we're going to look inside the mattress and show you what you get in today's mattress world for $3,000 to $4,000. Again, this is an older one, but let's find the zipper here and unzip the bottom layer. Okay, and keep in mind, these come with pumps and motors that you would plug in, and these Sleep Numbers have chambers of air on the inside. So they're simply like little pool rafts that you would hook up a tube to. And I don't know where the tubes are. They may be on our truck. But you hook a tube up to it here. Right here is little tube entries. And it blows it up. And you have one on each side and a little center to separate the two. And as they blow up, you can pick your number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, all the way up to 100. And your partner may want something a little less. The issue with air bladders that are like this is it's all one firmness. Now, they may have separate ones now, and I haven't looked into the newer ones yet, but this is old school, old style, how they started. It is, I believe, I'm not sure, I think it's a publicly traded company, and they've changed quite a bit since, but these are your air bladders. And then basically another layer of foam on the bottom, and a little couple foam track rails that go around. So here's your Sleep Number. Not much to it for the price you pay. And again, better materials in today's mattress world. I'm sure they're more advanced. They have cooling systems now. They can go up to $8,000 or even higher. Yeah, so this is a Sleep Number mattress, deconstructed, just to show you know how they're building their mattresses back then. You may want to go into a Sleep Number store, lay on them, try them, and see what the difference is today. I'm waiting for one to come through on our delivery system that's more contemporary, more modern, that we can kind of look into and show you the difference. But as of now, they're simply just air mattresses. And I'm guessing they probably don't tell you that when you go into the showroom and lay on these, because most people don't really want air mattresses. Some do. So, but this is that's a Sleep number. So if there's any questions on mattresses, Sleep numbers, Tempur-Pedics, any brand out there, or any like ideas on what we can build for you, give us a call, or you can email me at Spencer@Pacific, like in the ocean. Second word is sleep, SLEEP, and the final word is design, DESIGN.com. Just go ahead and shoot me an email, and I can answer some questions. We can talk. You can call me. We can talk and see if we can help you in any way whatsoever. So, thank you for watching this video, and that's it. And you can call our showroom if you'd like to, 805-658-2866. Jimmy is usually there. He's been there, I don't know, 15, 16 years, and he can point you in the right direction, or let me know and I'll get in touch with you. So, you guys have a great day, and I hope this helps with any ideas. And again, I want to get a newer one and take it apart as soon as we get one coming through in the system here. So have a good day.